What's up? How are you? So today we're in an episode of the Foot 16 draft, and you know what I'm talking about. You can see we're gonna enjoy this day today, so we're gonna go straight out to the draft. Yeah, I was busy with that. Now I'm gonna restart with the new draft. And it's the fourth 3-4-3 flat, and we go with Benzema, and Messi. That will help. Ronaldo. BBCN, please. Oh, Neymar may help. Rodriguez. This is going very well. Please, local Modric. Christian Tello. And Godin. Oh my God, Godin. 95 rated Godin. And it's my first time getting a draft of the Godin in a draft. And so we can go on. Sergio Ramos. If I replace him with Smalling, it may give me some chemistry and 1 rating. So I have to go with the highest rate with the highest players for rating. Mola. 94 Mola. Ronaldo 93. Oh, I think I've just gone to my squad. It even better to become good. And so tomorrow. After that, I've adjusted the players and got still 88. So I have to go to my manager. I'll just go with the manager. And then forwards 89, midfielders 85, and defenders 87. So we're gonna go through that. However, just look. Please. Yes, Ronaldo and even Rakitic. Against Liverpool, I'm gonna get my. Yes, it's a win for me. Against Barcelona, it's my funeral. As you can see, it's my funeral. Oh, 3-1. I've got this. I'm a professional. If you just see one score, oh, you see the 9-5 goal Dean scoring for me. So let us see our reward. From the Pep one, Gerald Alba. Please. Oh, and a 5 or more TT. TT. Whoa. That's kind of cool. So, it has been a great time spending with you. So, you'll see in my next episode of Squad Builder, and the next episode after Squad Builder, it's gonna be Shadow Fight. So, stay tuned on my channel and subscribe. As you can see down there, you can see the subscribe button. Please press it if you want more of my videos. I can download more games so that I can even show you things like Dream League Soccer, more. Peace.